Hi everyone, at Digital Colmer here. Welcome back, future AI practitioners. So today we're diving into the fascinating world of neural networks, the powerhouse behind modern AI. So imagine your brain, but made of silicon and mathematics. That's essentially what a neural network is. It's a model of the human brain, and it's modeled to work in a similar manner. So, lots of goodies to share on this digital whiteboard. Neural networks are like Lego blocks of AI. They're interconnected layers of nodes. So, here we see three layers of nodes or neurons. They process and transmit information. Just as Lego bricks can be assembled into countless structures, so can the neurons form different neural networks which can be trained on different tasks. So, let's break this down. We have our input layer of neurons. This is where our data enters the neural network. We then have these things called the hidden layers. This is where the magic happens. It detects, for example, an image, the corners or maybe the edges of the image. And then finally, the output layer where we get our results. So as data flows through the network, each neuron performs calculations and passes that information forward to produce a result. So let's dive a little bit deeper over here. We can see that we have a single neuron and it receives an input. We then apply some weights. These are important to those inputs. We then do some mathematics. We sum up those weights. And then finally, we pass it through something called an activation function, which is just a mathematical function. And this happens for every single neuron, and then we receive output. So these process happens in the input, in the hidden, and the output layers. This process is repeated across the entire network, layer by layer. The network learns by adjusting those weights based on its errors, gradually improving its performance. When it learns from those errors, it adjusts the weights, and that's called back propagation. Fantastic. And then finally, there's a neural network for every occasion. So down here you can see we have feed forward networks. These are the classic for basic tasks. We then have convolutional neural networks, a bit of a mouthful. The eagle eyes, which is great for image recognition. And then recurrent neural networks are really good. They're called the memory masters, perfect for sequential data like text because they remember context. They have a little bit of memory that helps us to remember context to words, for example. So it can understand what the context in a sentence means, not just the words. And there you have it, people. Neural networks, the building blocks that are revolutionizing AI. Finally, I have forgotten another neural network here you've all heard of, I'm sure, called a transformer network. And these play a big part in today's generative AI. So we see those occur in large language models around the world. And there you have it, the building blocks of AI. Remember, just like your brain gets better with practice, neural networks improve with some more data and training. So go out there and build some AI magic. And again, if this video has computed well for you, you've really enjoyed the material you've seen, it's computed well in your neural network, then please smash that like and subscribe button. This is Digital Colmer signing off.